The manufacture of paper-faced gypsum board, from the preparation of a variety of raw materials, the mixing of slurry, the combination and molding of slurry and face paper, solidification into whiteboard, and then through cutting, drying, edge cutting, edge wrapping, and stacking, all links cooperatively closely to form an automatic mechanical flow operation line. After the paper is uncoiled, it enters the automatic deviation correction machine and the forming machine. The error of the deviation correction machine is less than 2 millimeters. After the down paper is uncoiled, through automatic deviation correction machine, easy to edge folding, scoring machine, and the vibration platform, it enters the forming machine.
With the wind, gone is the gladness that filled my heart, just like a flame.
All mix the raw material and the additives are injected into mixer and fall onto the vibration platform.
Gone with the wind. Gone with
Break the bubble. Spread the slurry evenly. Avoid empty and leakage material on both sides. And enter the foaming machine. The foaming machine is used to adjust the thickness of gypsum board. Then complete the initial setting on the solidification belt. The initial setting belt is a whole belt, which adopts background of Catitac in China. The number 1 initial setting belt roller is made of stainless steel, wall thickness 2.5 millimeters. Number 2 initial setting belt roller adopts high precision drawn pipe, wall thickness 2.5 millimeters.
Still on my lips.
Our rollers are strengthened by straightening equipment. The runout of the roller is less than 0.3 millimeters, and the frame body adopts 250 millimeter stick channel steel.
All is gone.
The conveyor roller is stainless steel, which can light the heat of gypsum board out through the fixed length cutter. It's cutting into the required length, 2,400 millimeters, 3,000 millimeters, or other. The cutting machine adopts German SEW servo motor, and the cutting arrow is less than 2 millimeters. Then turn through number 1 transverse machine to make the gypsum board face side up. In order to keep gypsum board face side clean and make the protective paper stick well, then use the closing roller to make the spacing between the 2 boards meet the requirements, and then throw the distributor to the dryer.
Gone with the wind, gone like a leaf that has blown.
The dryer isolation panel thickness is 160 millimeters, and the density is 120 kilograms per steer.
Yesterday's kisses are still on my lips. I had a lifetime of heaven at my fingertips, but now all all is gone.
The main of the dryer adopts the national standard 24A roller chain.
With the wind, gone is the gladness that filled my heart, just like a flame. Love burned brightly, then became an empty smoke dream that is gone, gone with the wind. Gone with the wind, gone with the wind, gone with the
wind. Dryer is divided into 2 to 3 zones based on output to control the temperature of different zones.
With the wind, gone like a leaf that has blown away, gone with the wind. My romance has flown away, yesterday's kisses,
and avoid defects such as overburning and drying. The process has the advantages of environmental friendly and receiving high thermal efficiency.
At my fingertips.
After drying, the gypsum board goes into number 2 transfer system through the distributor.
That thrilled my heart, gone with the wind.
2 gypsum board face papers are combined to keep face paper
that
clean.
filled my heart,
Enter fixed length trimming and automatic edge wrapping system,
love
and then automatic stacking through the finished product conveyor.
an empty smoke dream.
The maximum bearing capacity of the stacker is 5 tons, with energy storage station and the function of fast rise and fall. Speed of fast rise is 150 millimeters per sec, and that of fast fall is 200 millimeters per sec.
Gone
After stacking,
with the wind.
it is transported to the packing area by forklift for inspection and packaging.
Gone with the wind. My romance has flown away, yesterday's kisses are still on my lips. I had
And the whole production process is completed.
at my fingertips, but now all is gone. Gone is the rapture that thrilled my heart, gone with the wind. Gone is the gladness that filled my